if you got a key fob or you bought a new one, you have to program it to this. I always recommend clearing the codes out, which you'll hit this black button right here. You can't hardly see it, but it's right there by my finger. You'll hold that in, and you'll hold it in after a couple of seconds. The light will flash and then go off. Once it goes off, you've cleared all the codes out of this. Now, to program this transmitter to the receiver board, you're going to hold this receiver board, you're going to count for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and let go. You're going to hit the up button. 1, 2, 3, and let go. And then again, 1, 2, 3, and let go. And at this point, your lift should be operational.